Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have an Electrolux Compact condensing dryer and on the display you're getting an Ex98 error and you're trying to figure out why are you getting this error and what do you need to do to remove the error. So first of all, why are you getting this error, this Ex98 error? 99% of the time if you're getting this error, it will be because you've just replaced either the interface or the electronic control board, and what happened, and maybe you had a technician to do it, and why you're getting this error is because it was replaced with the wrong interface. The interface was replaced with the wrong interface, or the main control board was replaced with the wrong main control board. Because the main control board knows the model that it's supposed to be in and the interface that it's supposed to be interacting with. And so if you replace the interface with the wrong interface, the control board will know it. And if you replace the control board with the wrong control board, then the control board will be confused thinking it's got the wrong interface, but it's actually the control board that's wrong. So what you need to do to fix this is you need to, whatever you replaced, you need to go back and check with the specific model of dryer you have and make sure you're getting the right interface or the right control board.